Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So I've got a couple things from Flower Beauty. I did not realize, my mama told me, apparently it is, what's her name? Drew Barrymore's makeup brand. I had no clue. But my mom had bought some stuff and she really liked it. So she gave me a couple things to try out. So we've only got like 3 little items here to try out. But I wanted to test them on camera for y'all so we can kind of try them out together and see if we want to get some more products from this brand. So I do think it's a fairly inexpensive brand. I'm pretty sure I've seen it at like Walmart or like the drugstore, but I'm not sure. I could be wrong. I don't know. But anyways, we'll throw up the prices somewhere on the screen when we do each item, just so y'all can kind of see how much they are. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So I did go ahead and throw on just a little bit of face makeup to get myself started, since we don't have any face makeup really to test out. And if you're wondering what I have on, it is the BH Cosmetics. Loved that stuff, y'all. Go check out the video if you hadn't already. Okay, so up first we've got, look how cute this is. This is the Pyramids Cheek Color. The shade I have is PC2 Peach Glow. I was confused when I first saw this. It looks so cute. But I was confused whether it was, what is on my eye? Like a big spot that didn't get blended. Y'all, excuse me. Anyways, when I first saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Like, the packaging is super cute. I love the gold and the clear, and it looks gorgeous. But I was confused. Like, I was like, is this a blush or a highlighter? Because it's like shimmery and it says glow, but then it says color. And then I read and it says creates a radiant flush of color. So I guess it's like a glowy blush. So we're gonna apply it like a glowy blush. And I need to cut this thing open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Ooh, y'all, look how pretty. Love this. Okay, so I'm gonna take my blush brush and let's see how this works. I'm kind of scared to see if it's gonna be like a highlighter or a blush. I feel like this is a highlighter. I'm not seeing much color, but I'm seeing a lot of glow. Let's try the other side real quick just to kind of see. This is definitely a highlighter. Okay, so let's put on some blush real quick. I'll just take this little truffle blush from BH that I have sitting here. So we'll pop on a teeny bit of blush, and now I got some glowy blush because I got highlighter underneath it. Does anyone else blush their nose? I always do the tip of my nose. And then I saw on QVC or HSN one of those. I think it was Laura Geller, maybe, that was on there. And she was like, you never put blush on your nose, ladies. And I'm like, I do it all the time. And I like the way it looks. I feel like it ties it together. I feel like your makeup is an expression of yourself, so if you want to put blush on the tip of your nose, do it. All right, now let's try to use this as a highlight, which is what I think it really is intended to be. I'm just dumb. Okay. It is a really pretty shimmery glow for a highlighter. Very pretty. And it goes on like really easy. Y'all, this is gorgeous. Okay, love. Throw a little bit on right here. Sometimes I do a little bit on the tip of my chin to make my face look a little longer because my face is really round like the rest of my body. Now see, this is something that's a little harder to do with my pencil brush because it's like so many colors that you kind of want to swish all together. And it's got these little pyramids, so it's like kind of hard to do with this little brush and get like a good distribution of all the colors, but this is so pretty. Ooh, I love this. Wow. Very pretty. Thank you, Mama. I like this. Love. I'm going to go ahead and throw on some eyeshadow because our next product that we have to try out is an eyeliner. So I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Went ahead and I just threw on some bronzer from the BH for some shadow. And then I went in with the highlight that we just used in the inner corner and the brow bone. And it just really pretty. And then I did the brows. So next, we're going to try the Kohl eyeliner, and mine's in the shade Total Blackout. It says all day wear, velvety soft finish. So let's see what we think about this. So it looks like you have a really thick like crayon on one end. Does it roll up? Oh, okay, so it rolls up. So you're probably gonna need to sharpen it. I wonder if there's a sharpener. No sharpener. But there's a smudger. I'm not sure about this. This isn't my normal, like, usual product that I would use typically for eyeliner, but we'll see what we think. Okay, this is kind of big, I feel like, to go in for eyeliner. I'm kind of scared. Okay. It's just super thick. Like, it's nearly impossible to get into that small space right there without it getting everywhere because it's so fat. My stomach is making all kinds of weird noises. If you can hear it, I'm sorry. Okay, y'all, so my phone literally just shut down in the middle of the video and I about lost it because I thought I lost the whole entire video and I was so mad, but thank God it popped up. Pretty much with this, I'm not crazy about it just because it's so fat, like you cannot get a precise line and you really can't get in there good in the small spaces. And like, if you're wanting to do like a wing or something, like it's gonna be a big chunky one and it just don't look right. So not crazy about this. I mean, it does look like it's gonna wear pretty good and it shows up really well. I feel honestly like this might be a better product not to use on the top lid, but to use like here. Ooh, that's actually great for the waterline. Look at that. That gets in there so good. Look how pigmented that is. Okay. While it's not good for the top lid, this is amazing for the waterline. Ah, okay. Love it. Alright, I'm going to throw on some mascara and then we'll wrap up with our last product to try. Alright, so I threw on some mascara and I am obsessed with the waterline. Like, this stuff is awesome for the waterline. I'm so excited, especially for like fall looks, because I like to do a black waterline when I do like really dark eyeshadow on top for fall. So this is going to be gorgeous and it works so good and it's so easy. It's way better than a skinny one for your waterline. So I guess that's why it's so fat, because when you use, or when I use a skinny liner for my waterline, I always poke my eyeball. Like a skinny sharp one, I always poke my eyeball and then it waters and it ruins everything. So this fat one is awesome for the waterline because it's not going to poke you because it's so fat and round. It's not pointy and sharp. So awesome. Our last product is this Petal Pout Lip Mask Soothing Lip Treatment with a Kiss of Color. So I'm not sure if this is like something you're supposed to wear with your makeup. I guess since it's colored. Soothing and nourishing, softly tinted. So take off the cap, twist up the stick, and apply a thin layer on your lips. Mango and cocoa butter leaves your lips lush, hydrated, and kissable. Well, the shade I have is Smooch. Let's check it out and see. Come on. You gonna come out? It's gonna be difficult. Alright. Ooh, this is a cute little package. Remove cap. What is this? Whoa. Alright, I'm assuming you're not supposed to put this little thing back on. It had like this. It has these holes, I guess, to like dispense the product, and it had this little cap, but I don't think you're supposed to keep this cap. I'm not gonna keep it. So then you just twist it up. Am I doing this right? I feel like I'm not doing this right. Oh, yeah. It's just taking a while. Here we come. Okay, so it's coming out of the tip like that. And then, ooh. Mmm. It doesn't really have a smell to me, but it feels amazing. And the color is really pretty. It's like just a tint of, it kind of matches my shirt and my cheeks. Kind of like a peachy, corally tint. But it feels really good. Oh, okay. Love this. Can't stop using it. Obviously, as you can see. Oh. I thought I was getting a hint of a smell, and now I don't smell it. So either I'm like nose blind to the scent now, or I don't know. Y'all, this feels so good. It's very thick, but it's like, it just feels super like hydrating and nourishing and good on the lips. For me, I'd probably just put this on like at night before bed. I'm not someone who likes to wear like a gloss on my lips during the day, just because eating and drinking, like I drink coffee, cold, like iced coffee in the morning, and then like sometimes throughout the day, just to keep me like alive and able to keep up with my children. So it would just keep getting all over my straw and stuff and aggravating me. That's why normally I like a good liquid matte lip that's not gonna go nowhere when I'm drinking and eating and stuff. But anyways, back to this. Feels great. Definitely feels like it's gonna work really good on keeping your lips hydrated and smooth. And the smell that I'm getting, I just don't know. I cannot place the smell. It's like a slight hint of menthol and cinnamon, which is a really weird mix to me, because you'd think it would be more of like a berry or fruity scent just from the color of it. But it feels really good, looks really pretty. Overall, I mean, let's go back through. This was awesome. Look at my cheeks. Love. This is amazing for the waterline. Like, look at that waterline. I have not ever had anything show up that good on my waterline and be that easy and not like poke my eyeball. So definitely recommend this. And then the lip, what is this called? Petal Pout lip mask. Feels amazing. Love it. Okay, maybe we need to do a haul and do a full face of Flower Beauty and see what we think. Let me know down in the comments below if y'all have tried Flower Beauty, what products you tried, and if you like it, love it, don't like it, let me know. Hope y'all liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.